very good afternoon to everyone, members of the press. Arindam, thank you for making it. We were supposed to meet like 2 months ago when we were supposed to launch this then, but better late than never. We've always learned right from our school days that prevention is better than cure. But when do we ever put that quote to good use? There cannot be a better time than this. I feel very proud to be associated with SRL Diagnostics and be the face for SRL Care. I just think that preventive healthcare is taken for granted, and people in this country and world over are more weight obsessed than health obsessed. And unfortunately, it always comes down to, I'm feeling okay. I won't really take any preventive measures or get any tests done unless I'm feeling not so good. Or then it reaches a certain point, or you reach a Rubicon where you're not able to reverse the ailment. So I just feel that in this time and age where you're seeing so many cases of cancer, diabetes, a lot of other, autoimmune diseases, issues, gut health issues as well. I think it's time that people become a little more responsible about their own health. And it's pretty much like, it's like an investment when you do or get your tests done. When you're earning money, you do think about saving, right? You think about investments because that's going to come to use for you later in life. The same with healthcare and preventive measures with, tests being done. It is like an investment for your future because you get to know, if you know how your health is while you are young. And the other thing that I want to address is also the fact that people feel that only after they reach maybe the ripe age of 60, then they need to get tests done. No. I want you to know that I've been doing tests from the age of 35, on a yearly basis. And it has nothing to do with how good or bad I feel. It is just something that has become a lifestyle. And that lifestyle pattern to inculcate will take time, I'm sure. But please start it better sooner than later. And unfortunately, health is not valued until sickness comes. So don't reach that stage. So I feel really happy that this has come into the foray, and with SRL Care being one of the foremost leaders in the market, I urge more people to take care of themselves, and I have taken it upon myself to be a catalyst in this field of health and wellness. So I feel very happy to be associated. Thank you so very much for calling upon me. And I guarantee you just one thing, that it will definitely reduce the prevalence of lifestyle and lifestyle diseases, and definitely help you live longer with healthier choices. So thank you very much for being here.
ask you what made you to associate with SRL diagnostics, and could you throw some light, and from when onwards you developed the consciousness of better health, from which age, and how, and what's the difference that you have found?
Well, I think their services are exemplary. I have been using SRL for my tests, and they do home visits, so that's convenient for me as well. What is it called? The home, it's the
home delivery, home collection model.
The home collection thing. So I thought maybe there's a separate name for it.
No.
I just call them up and they send the person home, so it's convenient. And yeah, I mean, they're not just the number one in the market for no reason, right? I just think that with the test, they also give you advice. So that's where I think you get that little edge. And yeah, for me to just transition from being a customer into leveraging my name and being an ambassador was gradual. But it was after seeing the services that they provided. And I really think that there's no better gift than health. And to be able to be in the know of how well you are functioning is a very important aspect for me. And for me, all those tests do that. So they have been great service providers for me, and in the aspect of health, and that's the reason I decided to come on.
शिल्पा जी, आपके सामने जैसे आपने बताया कि वेट एवी में बताया कि हेल्थ वेट चेक कर लिया, हेल्थ चेक किया क्या, जब भी घर में होती हैं आप और आप फैमिली मेम्बर के साथ में होते हैं या राज कुंद्रा जी होते हैं या आप जितने भी करीबी आपके हैं, उनको कितना आप बता पाती हैं कि वेट तो चेक कर लिया, हेल्थ चेकअप की आपको ज़रूरत है, तो अगर आप बता सकें।
मैं बहुत सालों से अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को, मैं अपनी मदर इन लॉ को, जब भी मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि कुछ सही नहीं जा रहा है या एक पैटर्न होता है ना हमारी ज़िंदगी में, अगर वो पैटर्न के मुताबिक अगर कुछ नहीं चल रहा है तो यू मस्ट गो एंड गेट अ हेल्थ चेक डन। लेकिन कुछ लोग तब तक उसे खींचते हैं, हेल्थ चेक पता नहीं क्यों करने से मुकर जाते हैं। उनको ऐसे लगता है कि जब तक डॉक्टर नहीं बोलेंगे तब तक वो जाएंगे नहीं हेल्थ चेक करने के लिए। मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि आपको डॉक्टर की क्या ज़रूरत है, यू जस्ट डू अ सिंपल चेकअप और रूटीन एंड स्टार्ट ऑफ विद दैट। एंड ये एक क्या बोलते हैं, एक लाइफस्टाइल पैटर्न होना चाहिए। ये एक मॉडिफिकेशन अगर आप लेके आ सकते हैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में, तो आपको एन वक्त पे नहीं पता चलेगा अगर आप किसी एलिमेंट से जूझ रहे हैं तो that's my advice to people and this generation who is so health conscious. I feel they are more weight conscious than health conscious. तो वो थोड़ा सा shift होना चाहिए, and I love the ads that we shot because मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि ये problem है. For a long time we are all so bothered about our weight, we don't really think so much about our health, बस weight सही होना चाहिए. ये क्या बात हुई? So I feel I've never worked in my life to be in a certain size. For me, health has been of paramount importance. Size just happens, if you are healthy, automatically you will enjoy optimum health and it will reflect in your body size.
तो इंडस्ट्री में ऐसा कोई एक्टर है, ऐसा कोई आपका दोस्त जिसे आपको लगता है कि जिसे SRL की जरूरत है?
सबको, हम सब ह्यूमन बीइंग्स ही हैं ना, और I really wish everyone great health and everybody should take and do their routine checks.
Hello. Yeah, I want to know that how much you have invested in this new venture, और शिल्पा जी ने जैसे बताया that market leader number 1. So in which segment and how is the competition?
Sure. So thank you for your question. So I'll just take the second one first, and then So as I'm talking about the market and being the market leadership, as you heard me speaking earlier, we have remained in this market for last 23 years. We have about 378 labs, most of them in India and some in the neighboring countries. We do, we treat about 15 million patient samples in a year. So that's the kind of, we do more than 1 lakh tests every single day in all of our labs. We are present across 600 cities. So any measure that you take is the number of tests, if you see the number of labs, if you look at the reach, if you look at the number of doctors, in every single measure we have remained market leader for more than last 2 decades. Talking about this specific platform, what we are doing is being the market leader, and we have had many firsts over the last 23 years. We are the first to come with the R&D center in diagnostics. We are the first to have a laboratory information management system when no one had thought about it. So we being the leaders, and sometimes that's the responsibility as a leader that you need to have, you have to think for the category before the others do. And what we really believe that this whole preventive mindset, which is a very small part of our business today, should be focused on, and that should be a supplementary model. It's not that we will not focus on our illness-based test. Obviously, people fall sick, they come to our lab, the samples come in, we partner with many hospitals. So obviously, that's a business that remains. But as Shilpa said, we are also interested to see can the overall healthcare delivery in the country improve. And for that, we also want people who are otherwise healthy to come in. So that's where our investment, our primary, it's a service business, it's not a product business. Our primary investment has been in R&D, in human mind. It's very difficult to quantify that. It is not about putting up a plant and machinery. So a large part of investment over the past 1 year have been in marketing and R&D, and especially in R&D to develop these new packages very differently than what rest of the people do. And of course, we are going to invest in technology. We are going to make sure that more and more people get to hear it, and that's where someone like Shilpa, and we are very thankful to her to join hands with us to pass on the message to the rest of India as well.
Can you give some numbers in R&D, infrastructure, technology you have invested last year, and do you have any plan for further expansion?
So again, as I was saying, this is, if you really look at our industry per se, we have had set up R&D quite some time back. More than a decade back is when we had set up the R&D. So our investment is not in money terms, but in human capital. So we have some of the best known doctors in the industry, PhD doctors with us. So they have invested time, and it's very difficult to quantify that time. It is actually a collective medical experience of hundreds of years collectively within us, which we have used to develop the new packages. So it's not that we have set up a new plant or machinery, or it's that we have set up a new R&D center. So it is more in the mind and not so much with rupee value.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Haldar,
Yeah.
are we with him? I'm Sumit from Business India magazine. SRL was doing preventive health checkups and executive health checkups earlier as well.
Right.
What new would this be do? Or would this just be a sort of campaign to publicize that a little more, to expand that a little more?
Sure. Mr. Sunit, I think it's an excellent question. And factually, you are absolutely right. It's not that we have never done health checkup for executives and all. We have been doing that over the past few years, and we continue to do that. So what is SRL Care, and how SRL Care is different from what we have been doing earlier, or indeed what is available in the market as well? So let me just spend a minute on the same. So what SRL Care is a customized set of health checkups. So it's not a 80 parameters, 800 rupee kind of a package. That's number one. We have developed our R&D, in-house R&D, and medical experts have developed a machine-based algorithm which will actually ask a few simple set of questions to tell you that what kind of test that is required for you. So say, for example, just to give you an example, suppose you have a sedentary lifestyle. If you sit 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours in a day, if you have stress, maybe your cortisol levels need to be checked. If you are a young guy, a gym goer who wants to build muscle, maybe for them a testosterone level is required to be checked. So I'm just giving you an example. Obviously, R&D can talk a lot more on this. So we have actually custom made some of those packages, and using technology, we are going to give that. So that's number one. Apart from the regular medical report, what we are also giving along with is a health report, is a health assessment report. Keeping in mind those same questions that we have asked you about your diet, about your age, about your lifestyle. We are also going to tell you what risk you are at. Of course, with the disclaimer that you will still have to go to a doctor. Obviously, we are just a laboratory. We do the test. We will still have to take the test. The doctor is the right person who can guide you further on. But what we'll do is two different things. One is the whole customization part of it, using technology, using machine-based algorithm. And second is also an additional health report that will also come in a risk assessment report, I would say, apart from your regular medical test. So that's where we are different. And the last thing is that we haven't really talked to people much. We really believe that all of Healthy India should do those checks. So of course, we are going to invest a lot more in letting the rest of India know that this is something that's available.
So, hi, I'm from Express Healthcare. So what I understand is that your entire program that you've designed is digitally, yeah, it's a technology-based thing.
Yes and no, in the sense that you can go on the app and do it, you can go on the website, you can indeed come to our centers and labs and someone will help you.
So
The same.
what are your precautions for patient safety in terms of data, patient safety in terms of data?
So we have always been very, very conscious of data. Like I talked about some time back as well, we were the first guys in the country to come with a centralized laboratory information management system. Our data protection norms is amongst the best in the country. We get that, our IT systems and our, we take privacy laws very, very seriously. It gets frequently checked. We have ISO certification for all our IT systems. So that is core. That doesn't change with SRL care or preventive coming in. That's been the core of us over the past many decades, and that remains as core as it is today.
Hi Shilpa. Hi. So शिल्पा आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि हाल ही में आपने अपने इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे सलमान के साथ पिक्चर अपलोड की थी, तो फ्रेंडशिप की 23 इयर्स कंप्लीट हो गए इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. तो थ्रू आउट द जर्नी लाइक कैसी थी, कुछ चेंजेस देखे या कैसा था?
कितना अच्छा सवाल पूछा आपने. इसका SRL डायग्नोस्टिक से क्या कनेक्शन है? जितना बोलना था मैंने पिक्चर के द्वारा बोल दिया, अभी और क्या बोलूं?
फिर भी मतलब थोड़ा सा डिटेल में लाइक समथिंग थ्रू आउट द जर्नी कैसी थी? इट्स बीन 23 इयर्स.
Some things don't change in good friendships, and you'll see on the episode of Das Kadam. It's a mad show, so वो नहीं बदले, मैं नहीं बदली, कुछ चीज़ें नहीं बदलते. तो the friendship is just the same. It's wonderful. He can get away with saying anything to me, and I can actually get away with saying a lot to him. And yeah, I'm very happy for his success. तो हमने अपनी ज़िंदगी में इतने उतार चढ़ाव देखे हैं that we're both very happy for each other's success and where we are in life. So that's that.
Thank you.
I think, we'll just have the Q&A round probably later, and maybe there's some media colleagues who would want to proceed for lunch. So I think, so thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and the members of the press. The lunch is just served right outside. So,
और
you
आप
can
हमें
proceed.
खून दो, हम आपको रिजल्ट देंगे.
And I think SRL team wants one picture with you, Shilpa. So if you could just give us like 2 minutes, we would want to get a picture clicked with you.